Hi everybody, my name is Z and today I wanted to share something that I built. So in the early part of March, I developed a digital family assistant, and essentially it is a Telegram-based digital assistant that allows you to create tasks, manage your calendar, and because it is a family assistant, it is not just for me personally, but it's to help me, my kids, kind of manage our different schedules, who has tuition, who has extra classes, and to keep track of what we need to do. Now, rather than talk about just the code, what was interesting is I built this partly because of all the focus and attention that people have been having on digital assistants like OpenClaw. OpenClaw is a free and open source AI agent that is obviously more extensive than what it is that I built, but what is interesting is the thinking process that I had to go through when I was building this, because there are ways that you can buy services that do the same thing. There's also the other extreme around using frameworks like OpenClaw to build and host your own, and also something in the middle where you integrate different elements and you manage it yourself. And that's actually where I ended up, where what I built also has a interesting side story where halfway as I was building this, Claude released a feature called Claude Channels that basically invalidated part of what I built, or so I thought. But I quickly realized that not really, because when you're doing these kind of things and making that decision between do you buy it, do you build it, do you do something in the middle, which comes down to understanding your cost versus benefit, what you're willing to trade off. And especially since this is something that was used not just by me, but by my family, what are the security concerns? And if you are self-hosting, building it yourself, are you able to manage that? It is about how you architect the system that you're building and how you design it for maintainability and understandability. So I've got a link to this repository if you want to try it out. Go for it. I also have a Medium article that I've written that talks about that entire process of what I looked at in the market for this kind of digital family assistant, what was available from an integrate perspective in terms of using connectors with LLMs that exist versus the full-blown OpenClaw approach, and how I ultimately decided on a integrate approach somewhere in the middle, and the lessons that I learned. So I hope this helps someone out there. Beyond just having a digital assistant, I think that there's a valuable lesson around making choices when you're building something or you are looking for a solution to solve a problem. Do you buy something off the shelf? Do you build something, or is there a middle path? So happy to have you leave comments on the article or on my code repo. If you enjoy this, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.